What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another review. Today we are reviewing COOFANDY. So let's take a look here at the shorts. Ooh. Oh, I love this. Look at the mesh. So can you guys see? You can see through a little bit of the mesh. That's gonna be awesome. Great breathability. Let's take a look here. Combo. Black look nice. Okay, let's go ahead and try them on. See if they're true to size. Okay, so actually these are good. If you have boxers that are long, your boxers, so we have boxers that go almost down to our knees. You can see our boxers underneath. So you're gonna want boxers that don't go the whole way down. Probably boxers that are somewhere like up in this range. So more tighter, shorter boxers. Wow, but these are nice. They're very lightweight too. Drawstrings right here. So you can make them tighter. And if you don't, they actually stay up pretty well. Nice pockets. Yeah, they're super lightweight. Like this combination of this muscle shirt by COOFANDY and these shorts are gonna be nice. I just need to make sure I have boxers underwear that are not as short. I mean, not as long. But yeah, I like these a lot. I actually really like these. Yeah, I really do like these a lot. And of course the black pair are the same. You might be able to see how the mesh in the black, here we go. It's hard to, there you go, you can see. Now you can see my shoulder through them. So they're very breathable. So whatever boxers or underwear you're using underneath, you could use red if you want, you could use black, whatever color that matches you. Very nice.